What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have a price update, price prediction on this crypto, which has gone absolutely crazy, 87% up in the last 24 hours. And yes guys, it is this crypto called Rarible, which is currently worth $4 guys, and as you can see, increases in value since late yesterday afternoon. It's been increasing in value. It has had its dips here and there in between, but overall it has been performing very well and has gone up a massive nearly 90% in value, which is absolutely crazy. So is it time to invest into the crypto? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you're on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video and looking at its prediction over the short term, over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, as well as the long term over the next few months, and overall in 2022 and 2023. Is this a must-have crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website. The market is down just about a percentage in the last 24 hours. However, Rarible has managed to gain the top spot in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, in the last hour itself, it managed to gain a huge 10% in value, which is absolutely insane. Over the last day, 96%, nearly 100%. It keeps going up as I'm recording the video, and over the week it has gone up a huge 117%. But we can clearly see most of the pump did come from yesterday, as you can see, 31st of August, just about 24 hours ago. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by a massive 4,400% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $10 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Rarible. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, as it's been getting a lot of attention. If we go here, as you can see, 65% buy against 35% sell. So we do have a lot of buyers at the moment, but we've still got a decent amount of people selling their crypto and taking out their profits, potentially reinvesting their profits when it drops back down. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So as you can see guys, we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Rarible, which at the moment is $2.33. However, it is trading at just about double its value at $4.08, meaning it is performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We've got the blue line just about looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, and the orange line is flat out going in a straight line, not looking bullish or bearish, meaning an overall minimal gain in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. However guys, due to the major increase that's taken place over the last, let's say 12, 14, 16 hours approximately, I'm expecting it to drop back down in value towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow. The only reason for that is, as I've mentioned it plenty of times in most of my videos, whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like what's happened here, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little step back, and the exact same applies here. So guys, I'm expecting an overall drop in value over the next 12 to 14 hours. Again, don't get me wrong, that doesn't mean we're going to be consistently seeing hitting red candles over the next 12-14 hours. Of course not. We are going to see it green candles, red candles, up and down. It's going to be volatile, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So dropping below the $4 mark is what I'm expecting towards the end of the day today. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, they are not looking too steep, they are just about slanting towards the positive direction. And again guys, that means an overall increase, well, minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of the day, sorry, not end of the day, end of the week, this week and beginning of next week, we should expect an overall minimal increase in value. However, that is not what I'm predicting, guys. I'm expecting an overall drop in value over the coming days. So over the next 7-8 days, I'm expecting it to drop below the $3 mark is what my predictions are as of right now, because guys, it's overvalued at the moment. It's gone way overboard, so it's likely to slowly and steadily drop back down in value. However, that also does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. We are going to see green days, we are going to see red days, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the negative side rather than the positive side. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see? Now we're looking very bullish, very steep lines going in a bullish direction, meaning a major increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. However, that is again not the case, because that is not realistic at all. Again, I'm expecting an overall decrease in value on Rarible over the coming weeks. So I'm talking about early December to mid-December. We should be back down to around the $2.30 target is what my predictions are. However, if there are any major changes, major updates that come across that can have a potential impact on Rarible, either in a positive or negative direction, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator. And before I go any further, guys, if any of you guys want to keep updated on the crypto market on a daily basis, my predictions, especially on Bitcoin, you know, if it's moving in a positive or negative direction, so on and so on, all you need to do is click on the link in the description box down below to join my Telegram group chat, which is currently on offer for $14.99 a month using discount code DEC10 for 50% off. However, this discount code here is only valid for the first 100 members that join, guys, and over half the spaces have already gone, so there is literally a limited amount of space left before this discount code expires. So what does this group chat exactly include? You're going to get put into two group chats. The first one is where I'm showing you guys what cryptos I'm buying and selling. The second one is just a general chat where you guys can ask questions, discuss cryptocurrencies, new projects, and that is also where I give you guys daily updates on Bitcoin, what to expect, what to predict, what is likely to hit, as most cryptos do follow a similar pattern to Bitcoin. Again, don't mind the figures on the screenshot, because this was an old screenshot from about May, as you can see, when Bitcoin was hitting about 30k, but obviously it's dropped quite heavily now. But yeah, you get the gist of it. Again, I'm not really buying cryptos at the moment because of how the crypto market is performing, but if I do sell anything, I will make sure to keep you guys updated, and that is the only place where I'll keep you guys updated on what I'm buying and selling. But again, any questions, any queries, let me know in the comment section down below. If not, the link is again in the description box down below, ready for you guys to sign up. Anyways, back to Rarible, guys. So these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto. What I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations and your predictions are. How high or how low are you guys expecting this crypto to hit in 2022? Let me know, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit the 100k target by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Not going to keep you guys here for any longer, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.